Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Bexgears Singlecut is probably one of the most rewarding DIY projects for guitar enthusiasts, offering a unique opportunity to build a stunning single-cut guitar from scratch and learn valuable skills in the process, allowing you to customize every aspect of your instrument and create a truly one-of-a-kind masterpiece that reflects your personal style and preferences, while also potentially saving money compared to buying a pre-built guitar. Number 5. Bexgears DIY ST Guitar Kit. Have you always dreamed of owning a unique guitar? Now you can build your own with our easy-to-assemble kit. It's a fun and rewarding project for any skill level. It boasts a mahogany body, maple neck, and composite ebony fingerboard. These high-quality components ensure a rich tone and smooth playability. This kit comes with everything you need to build your guitar, including the body, neck, fingerboard, electronics, and even a black pickguard. Get ready to rock. It's designed for easy assembly, even for beginners. We've included clear, step-by-step instructions to guide you through the process. Building your dream guitar has never been easier. Don't worry if your instructions get misplaced, we'll happily send you a PDF copy. We're here to support you every step of the way. Get ready to personalize your guitar and create a truly one-of-a-kind instrument. Start building your dream guitar today. What we like. This guitar kit boasts a rich mahogany body and a smooth maple neck, creating a warm and resonant tone. It's incredibly easy to assemble, even for beginners. If you're looking for a classic tone and a straightforward build, this is the kit for you. What people say. Fit, finish, parts quality are impressive, particularly at the price point. All CNC no-pin routing. The wood finish is perfect. The neck has a tight perfect fit. The frets have been professional filed and polished, no sharp ends. All holes are drilled and the electronics are soldered and have connectors, nothing needs solder. Number 4. Bexgears TL Style Guitar Kit. Have you always dreamed of building your own guitar? Now you can with the Bexgears TL Style Kit. It's the perfect way to create a unique instrument. This comprehensive kit contains all the parts you'll need to build a complete, playable guitar. It even comes with strings and a cable. It boasts an okame wood body, a maple neck, and a composite ebony fingerboard, ensuring rich tone and playability. All the holes are pre-drilled, making assembly simple and straightforward, even for beginners. You'll be playing in no time. With its sleek TL-style design and high-quality components, it's ready to become your next favorite axe. Order yours today. Please note that this kit is currently only available for right-handed players. What we like. This kit comes with all the parts you need, and all the holes are pre-drilled, making assembly a breeze. It's perfect for those who want a quick and easy build. If you value convenience and a streamlined building process, this is the ideal choice. What people say. Everything fit properly. The neck fits snug but not too snug in the pocket. Even the holes for the pickguard seem to be lined up correctly on a casual observation. The neck was incredibly good, smooth and shiny from the get-go and no fret edges. Number 3. Bexgears DIY Electric Bass Kit. Ready to build your dream bass guitar? This kit provides everything you need for a fun and rewarding DIY project. It features a solid okame wood body, known for its rich tone and resonance. This is the foundation for an exceptional instrument. The smooth maple neck and composite ebony fingerboard provide comfortable playability and a stunning look. You'll love the feel of it. All the electronic components are included, so you have everything you need to get started. No need to source parts separately. It's surprisingly easy to assemble. Even beginners can create a beautiful, playable bass guitar with this kit. Get ready to customize it and make it your own. This is your chance to build a bass guitar that reflects your personal style. What we like. This bass guitar kit offers a solid okame body for a deep, resonant tone. It's designed for an easy build, perfect for those new to DIY guitar projects. If you're a bass player looking for a fun and accessible DIY project, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The body is sanded and ready to take a finish, the neck is solid and the composite rosewood well done. The bridge and tuners are also decent quality. The tuners feel good and the bridge intonation is solid. The pickups and pots are clean and noise-free. Finished product works well and look good. Number 2. Bexgears JASS Bass DIY Kit. Ready to build your dream bass guitar? This kit provides everything you need for a fun and rewarding DIY project. Let's get started. It features a solid okame wood body, known for its rich tone and resonance. You'll be amazed by the quality of this beautiful wood. The smooth maple neck and composite ebony fingerboard provide exceptional playability. Prepare for effortless fretting and stunning sound. All the electronic components are included, so you have everything you need to bring your creation to life. No need to source extra parts. After purchase, you'll receive a PDF instruction manual via Amazon message. Building your own guitar has never been easier. With this kit, you'll craft a unique bass guitar reflecting your personal style. Get ready to rock. What we like. This kit features a classic JB-style bass body made of okame wood, providing a punchy and full sound. It's designed for an easy and enjoyable build. If you are looking for a stylish and easy-to-build bass guitar kit, this is the one for you. What people say. All the pieces were present in the kit and no parts were damaged. It assembled easily. Neck fit is good, frets were filed and there were no sharp edges, all holes were pre-drilled, all routing is already done, electronics were decent with grain, and the two-piece body was glued very nicely. Great product, great fit body to neck. The okame wood is beautiful and solid. This is not the lightweight Polonia in many kits. Number 1. Bexgears JASS DIY Guitar Kit. Ready to build your own guitar? This kit has everything you need to create a stunning instrument. Let's get started. It boasts an okame wood body, a maple neck, and a composite ebony fingerboard. High-quality components ensure a great playing experience. All the electronic parts are included, so you have everything you need to assemble it. No need to source parts separately. Building it is surprisingly easy. While instructions aren't currently included, you can easily find tutorials online, or we can send you a PDF. Create a guitar that's uniquely yours. Once assembled, you'll have a beautiful, playable instrument you can be proud of. This kit is designed for building a GRS-style electric guitar. It's perfect for DIY enthusiasts and experienced players alike. What we like. This kit offers a distinctive GRS-style body made from okame wood, giving you a unique look and sound. It's a challenging but rewarding project for experienced builders. If you're looking for a unique guitar and enjoy a challenge, this kit is for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.